at the edge of Panjim, just 3 kilometers from the heart of the city, where the Mandovi River gently meets the Arabian Sea, Miramar opens up, quiet, expansive, and unhurried. From above, the shoreline unfolds in soft curves. Golden sand blending seamlessly into endless blue. Waves arrive without urgency, carrying the rhythm of a place that understands the art of slowing down. This is Miramar Beach, close enough to the city to be familiar, yet far enough to feel like a retreat. Each morning reshapes its mood, painting sand and sea with changing light and quiet intention. Here, the ocean doesn't rush, it breathes. And in that gently rhythm, life along the coast begins to align. As the drone glides higher, patterns start to emerge, footsteps tracing the shore, early movement along the promenade, the subtle hum of Panjim nearby, present but never overpowering. Miramar feels like a threshold where land meets water and stillness meets motion, a space that absorbs the energy around it without ever losing its calm. As the sun climbs, the sea deepens in color, light reflects off wet sand, and the shoreline slowly comes alive, not in haste, but in harmony. Seen from above, Miramar tells a simple story of balance, continuity, and quiet presence. Here, Goa doesn't perform. It simply exists, gracefully, steadily, one wave, one breath, one moment at a time.